In this video, we are going to learn about plotting points on a number line which is in one dimension or simply 1D. In one dimension, points lie along a straight line called a number line because we have a numbers here and line. So combine these together, which called a number line. A number line extends infinity in both directions. Like here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on until infinity. And from the left side here, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and so on until negative infinity. The points don't have to be integers, they can be fraction or decimals too. For example, you can have fraction like here, for example, here 0, then half, then 1, then 1.5, 2, 2.5, and so on. And from the negative sides, -half, -1, -1.5, -2, -2.5, and so on until negative infinity. What does each point mean? Each point on this line represents a location just like where you might be standing. In one dimension, this is your space or domain. The position of any point is determined by a single value, such as, for example, if I tell you 0, which is here, 1, which is here, -1.5, which is here, -6, which is here. So it's determined by a single value. You might draw a number line, not necessary to be horizontally. You can draw it vertically, like riding an elevator, or even diagonally. The direction doesn't matter as long as we are still in one dimension. We only need one number to locate a point. For example, let's plot some example points in this number line. For example, if I tell you P1 equal 4. Where is 4? 4, it's here. So here is P1. If I tell you P2 equal -5, where is -5? -5, which is here. -5, which is here, P2. Another examples, if I tell you P3 equal 0, it's like you are in the middle of this line. So here is point P3. So it's very simple to locate any points in this number line. Let's say here P4 equal half. Let's say here you want to locate this point. Where is P4? P4 half, which is here. Here is P4. I'm trying my best to locate it exactly as in this position. So here is P4 in the middle of 0 and 1. And let's locate P5 equal -2 and quarter. Where is this one? It's very simple. Here is -2. We have to walk just a quarter, which should be here on the quarter of this one here, the length of 1. So here is P5. I'm trying my best to locate this point. Here it's like here quarter, here half, here 3/4, and here it's like 1 here. The length of this one here 1. So here -2, -2 quarter, -2 half, -2 3/4, and here -3. So we are here. The last point, P6, which is 1.5, which is 1.5, which is here the point. P6, which is 1.5, which is here in the middle of 1 and 2. It's very simple to plot points in 1D. We only need one value to find a point. In higher dimension like 2D, 2 dimensions, you need two values to locate a point in a plane. In 3D and beyond, you need even more information. I hope this video made plotting points on a number line which is in 1D, simple and easy to understand. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more math videos. And feel free to comment below with your questions or suggestions about this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.